Good afternoon, everyone. So this morning, all the students from Key Stage 3, Year 7, 8, 9, so had some workshops with Mr. Andy Gleadhill. So most of you knew that Mr. Andy flew all the way from UK, so he's going back right after this to Bangkok, Thailand for another conference, which is for BCR, and then we will be meeting there as well. So today's performance is all about Key Stage 3 students. So we start the first group with Year 7, the whole Year 7, and then we go to 2 sets of Year 8, and then we go to the other side, Year 8 and 9 mixed group, and then the middle group for 2 sets of Year 9 to finish off. Okay, so I'm just going to hand over the microphone to Mr. Gleadhill.
Oh, thank you very much. So I'll just say a little bit about what we've been doing this morning. Each year group have done a separate samba. We've concentrated on doing Brazilian samba because we've just bought these set of surdus. They're called the big red, yellow and green drums there, and the smaller ones are called tambourines. These you already had, but we've got 2. We borrowed these off drum kits because they were run out of stock. We've got 2 more of these coming, and these are Brazilian drums called caixas. And each year group has learnt a different samba, and each one is a little bit harder than the others. But some of them are quite different to the others, so I want you to listen to the different rhythms that are in all of them. Everybody's been concentrating really hard this morning to get the rhythms, learn the rhythms right, particularly Year 7, who only had about 15 minutes to learn theirs, so they've done really well. And also I want you to listen out for the whistle. Very important part of samba music is the thing called call and response, which is a little break in the music, which is signified by a whistle. And these are very special whistles. They're called apitus, and they come from Brazil. And just to demonstrate, I'm going to play you a samba just on the whistle. I need a big breath for this. Which is quite fun. I always say I think they should give every policeman in Malaysia one of these. Then when they're directing the traffic, they can have much more fun and everybody could be dancing. But okay, we're going to start with Year 7, who are going to come up, I think, on this way. And their samba is based on a South American dance called the conga. And I'm sure you'll be able to hear that rhythm when it comes out. No running, please.
All right, well done, year 7. Can we have year 8, please? 2 sets of year 8.
So the next samba that the mixed year 8 and year 9 class are going to play for us, they've learnt by using words to spell out the rhythms that they're going to learn. And all the rhythms are on words or phrases to do with samba. So the drums in the middle, the repiniques, they're going to play a rhythm that goes South America, South America, South America. And the snare drums or caches are going to play a rhythm that goes Brazil, 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 Brazil. And the tambourines, which are the small drums here, they're going to play a 3-2 clave, which is a very important part of South American music. It's a rhythm that has 3 beats and then 2 beats. So I'd like you to listen out for those with the new next group. Come up.
Year 8 and Year 9 mixed group. Well done, Year 8 and Year 9. We have a few minutes for the last group. Can the Year 9 just come on stage right now, and then we can finish off with the last performance. Well done to all Key Stage 3. So I send you back to classroom right now. It's a couple of minutes late. So sorry for all the teachers. Thank you so much, Mr. Andy Gleadhill. So can Year 10 music students stay behind? So because we have a session workshop with Mr. Gleadhill. So I'll see you all next Tuesday, same time, same place. Have a lovely afternoon.